So guys, here I have a OnePlus 5 and it has been quite old now. One more thing that has become old is this Google widget. This rectangular box, it looks so boring. But there is a way to customize it and make it look interesting on your phone screen. So what if I told you there is a way to change this widget into this, or this, or this, and many more colors and options. It looks cool, right? So let's do it. So the process to do this is very easy. Just open the Google app, then click More in the bottom right corner, and then click the sixth option, which is Customize Widget. There you can see your older widget right in front of you and the options to customize it in the bottom. So the first option is the Google logo, whether you want the complete name or just the G. I'll go with the G. Then there's the shape. The default one is rectangle. Then there is curved edges and the round edges. I'll go with the round one. Then there is the color option, in which the first one is gray and white. The second one is black and white. And the third option is some different color. You can choose any: blue, purple, pink, red, green, yellow, or orange. The bottom slider is for darkness or lightness of the color. Then there is the fourth option, which is the transparency, whether you want it translucent or totally opaque. When you're done with all the settings, click the top right corner button and go to the home page, and there you'll see that the widget is customized. Cool, right? Now that is not just the case for Oxygen OS. This works also in the MIUI and the EMUI, as I have here the Redmi Note 5 Pro and the Huawei P20. Practically it works almost in all Android phones, except those of Android 5 and below. So the process of other phones is also same. Just go to Google, customize widgets, and there you go. So that is how you customize your own widget and make your phone look a bit more cooler. That was it from my side, and I'll see you in the next video.